Hello everybody, Malford Hutchins here, doing a quick fan video. I got this one at the thrift store. It was in the junk pile and they were actually going to throw it. And I asked them about it. I was there to pick up a chair. And they sold it to me for $7 even though it was in the junk pile. It's only got 2 broken slats. Came with the stand. And I love the color of the blades. They're like really cool. My dad used to have one just like this when I was little, same color, but it was just, you know, your basic one. This one's got 3 speeds. Thermostat. Here's a view of the rear. It's got that plastic motor in it, and when I got it, the other front one was broke. There's like a little plate in here that holds the ball in there. And it was broke, so I just super glued it and it was fine. Started off on low. Turn the thermostat. Medium. It's got a decent spin down. But it's a little stop, but it's free, but it has to do with that bearing. I have one of these motors that I'm a parts fan that I just gotta go get and put in it. Try and get startup noise. And there's my 20-inch 3-speed with a thermostat Galaxy box fan with the Sears badge.